What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2024 Cadillac XT4 started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying no key found. And then it's also going to say key not detected. Put key in center console front cup holder. So we're going to take our key fob and come over here to the center console and place it in the front cup holder like that. And now we should be able to start the vehicle as normal. So brake, stop start button. And then you'll be ready to drive as normal. And you'll just need to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to change the battery in this key fob if you're unfamiliar. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.